my name is Daisy. Hi, my name is Dashi.
Hi, and I'm Memory.
This year at school, we'll be learning a lot about the planet.
And from what we can see,
it's going very good.
That's why we have built Mwandi's first ever recycling center. Once a month, our school and the kids in our community collect plastic and organic materials from the compound. We put the waste in our recycling center where it later be sorted. Organic materials will be fed to our school biogas digester, which creates methane gas for cooking. Soft plastic and plastic bottles are used to make Ecobricks.
Ecobricks are fun to make. So here we go.
First, collect all the soft plastics and put them in a pot.
We then start stuffing the plastics into bottles. We stuff the bottles until they are hard like a rock.
We now have one complete Ecobricks. You at home can try it too. And help save the planet one Ecobrick at a time.
from everyone here at Baobuyu Learning Center, goodbye!
Stay tuned to see what we're going to turn this into.
Things don't look very good.
Mosquito. Oh, good. Genesis, you next.
Then we start stuffing them into the plastic bottles. You at home can try it too. One Ecobrick at a time.
Oh my God, the dogs. Schmiegel, are you kidding me?
Come here.
Oh my God.